Is your business risk analysis comprehensive enough? Management of a company, similarly to daily life, is an ongoing risk assessment where appropriate actions need to be defined based on various pieces of information. Organizations often evaluate financial risks only. However, there are lots of factors which may affect the operation, sometimes negatively, other times in a positive way. Many companies focus on risks only and forget about identifying and evaluating opportunities. It happens many times that organizations do not analyze risks and opportunities at all, or they do, but using inadequate methods. It happens many times even at those organizations who evaluate risks at a corporate level that they fail to evaluate risks and opportunities at process level, and consequently, they miss the chance to utilize the opportunities and manage risks. Actions defined for risk mitigation and utilization of opportunities are not followed up adequately many times. SMANAG Risk Management Module is custom tailorable within a wide range according to the needs of the organization, offers a structured method for company-level risk analysis, supports the evaluation of risks and opportunities within the process, supports the export of results into Excel, allows for full compliance with risk-based thinking-related requirements of ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. Be effective, be efficient, be SMANAG.